Welcome to our guide on migrating to OpenTelemetry from traditional pull-based monitoring systems. We'll explore strategies, steps, and challenges involved in this transformative process, aiming to adopt modern, scalable, and unified observability solutions. Understanding the difference between pull-based and push-based systems is crucial before migrating. Pull-based systems rely on a central server to periodically pull metrics, while push-based systems like OpenTelemetry allow services to push telemetry data to a centralized collector. Pull-based systems focus on metrics, collecting data at fixed intervals, which can limit visibility. In contrast, OpenTelemetry supports real-time telemetry, offering a more complete view by collecting metrics, traces, and logs for unified observability. Migrating to OpenTelemetry offers several advantages, including unified observability across signals. This allows for better correlation between telemetry types, enabling powerful root cause analysis and troubleshooting within the same observability ecosystem. OpenTelemetry provides real-time monitoring, pushing data immediately after generation. This contrasts with pull-based systems, which collect data during scheduled scrapes, potentially leading to delayed visibility and gaps during incidents. Scalability and flexibility are key benefits of OpenTelemetry. Its architecture is more scalable for modern cloud-native applications, where each service independently sends telemetry data, making it ideal for environments with microservices or serverless architectures. OpenTelemetry's flexibility allows it to work with multiple backends. You can collect data in one format and send it to various analytics tools or observability platforms, adapting to different monitoring needs and enhancing your observability strategy. Planning the migration is crucial for success. Start by taking an inventory of all services currently monitored by your pull-based system. Identify telemetry being collected, endpoints being scraped, and prioritize critical services for migration. Instrumentation is a major technical change when moving to OpenTelemetry. Update your services to use OpenTelemetry SDKs to emit traces and metrics, ensuring context propagation across distributed systems for linking transactions spanning multiple services. The OpenTelemetry collector is central to your migration. It receives telemetry data from instrumented services and processes it before sending it to backend systems. Configure it with receivers, processors, and exporters for seamless data handling. Plan a phased migration to minimize disruptions. Start with dual operation, running both systems in parallel. Migrate critical services, first to identify issues early, then complete the transition for all services, eventually retiring the pull-based system. Deploying the OpenTelemetry collector is the first technical step. It can be deployed as a standalone process, sidecar, or gateway, depending on your architecture. Follow installation instructions and configure it to receive telemetry data from your services. Instrumenting services for metrics involves replacing Prometheus endpoints with OpenTelemetry SDKs. Use auto-instrumentation libraries for popular frameworks or manually define metrics for custom frameworks, sending them to the OpenTelemetry collector. Tracing is a powerful capability of OpenTelemetry, allowing you to follow requests through your system. Use auto-instrumentation for tracing incoming requests, API calls, and database queries, ensuring trace context is propagated across service boundaries. Ensure context propagation across distributed systems for effective tracing. This links transactions spanning multiple services, providing a comprehensive view of request flows and enhancing your ability to diagnose and resolve issues quickly. Configure the OpenTelemetry collector with appropriate receivers to accept telemetry data in different formats. This flexibility allows you to continue using existing monitoring tools while transitioning to OpenTelemetry. Processes in the OpenTelemetry collector handle data transformations, filtering, and batching. This ensures efficient data processing before exporting it to your chosen observability platforms, maintaining data integrity and performance. Exporters in the OpenTelemetry collector send telemetry data to your observability platforms. Configure them to work with tools like Jaeger for tracing, Prometheus for metrics, or Loki for logs, ensuring seamless integration with your existing systems. During the dual operation phase, compare telemetry data from both systems to ensure new instrumentation works correctly. This phase helps validate the OpenTelemetry setup before fully transitioning all services. Migrating critical services first allows you to identify and resolve issues early without impacting your entire infrastructure. This phased approach ensures a smooth transition and maintains monitoring capabilities throughout the migration process. Once confident in the OpenTelemetry setup, complete the migration for all services. Retire the pull-based system, ensuring all telemetry data is now collected, processed, and managed through OpenTelemetry for unified observability. Thank you for joining us on this journey to migrate to OpenTelemetry. By adopting this modern observability solution, you enhance your system's monitoring capabilities, ensuring real-time insights and improved reliability for your organization.